Hey y'all, welcome to Pretty Simple Country Cooking. So I have something special for you guys today. Today I'm going to be sharing a recipe by Mama Sue. So I'm sure most of you know who Mama Sue is. I just love her so much. I love watching her. I've been watching her. She was one of the very first ones I started to watch before I started this little page. So she inspires me. She's a wonderful Christian lady. I've never met her in person, but it doesn't take you very long to figure that out when you start to watch her. So anyway, I have her cookbook here. It's Mama Sue's Southern Kitchen. I have two of her cookbooks, but one of these recipes in here that I absolutely love is the Crockpot cube steak. I've made it several times and it's always a hit at my house. And so I want to share Mama Sue's Crockpot cube steak with you all. So we're gonna get started. So in here I have 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. I have 1/2 cup of flour in here, and I have 5 cube steaks that I've already salted and peppered, and I have 3 in here already ready. So what you're gonna do is heat your oil up and dredge your cube steak in the flour and place it in. Make sure your oil is piping. I have it on about medium heat, and this bowl is probably going to do about 3 at a time, or just pan. Okay, so you are not cooking these fully. What you're doing is just trying to get them browned on each side. So I'm gonna go ahead and brown these, and when I have them browned, I'm gonna put them in the crock pot. There's nothing in here, it's empty. And then I'm gonna do the other 2, and then I'll come back and show you what we do from there. So let me finish this up and we'll be right back. All right guys, so I want you to see what they look like, just browned, okay? They are not fully cooked, okay? And then you just put them in your crock pot. It doesn't matter, you can stack them. It's okay, all right? So, after you have that in your crock pot, you've browned all your cube steaks, you are ready for the next step. And let's see, all that is 1 can of cream of mushroom, and I have the healthy one. It has less sodium, I believe. So you're just gonna combine this in a bowl. So put your cream of mushroom soup in a bowl. Get all that goodie out. And combine it with 1 can of beef broth. And this is just a 14.5 ounce can of beef broth, okay? Put it in there and get it all combined. Stir it up. I hear my oldest coming in from school. So y'all just ignore that. All right, get it all mixed up. Actually, I think I'm gonna get my whisk out. I'm not sure it takes a whisk, but I wanna break up some of that mushroom soup in there. All right, so once you have all that combined, all you do from here is pour this mixture on top of your cube steak. You are gonna put the lid on here, and you are going to cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And then guys, I'm telling you, you are going to have the best, most tender cube steak you have ever put in your mouth. I don't know if you're like me, but I have tried several times to make cube steak on the stovetop, and it always comes out tough, and nothing's worse than a tough cube steak. So I want you to give this a try. After the 3 to 4 hours, I'm gonna come back and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll do a taste test, and it'll be the most delicious cube steak you've ever put in your mouth. So we'll be back. See you in 3 to 4 hours. All right, guys. So it's been 3.5 hours on high, and our cube steaks are done. So take a look at that. And these are so delicious. They're so tender, and the best thing about them is you don't even need a knife. you just cut them with your fork and you can get some. And that is the perfect cube steak when you don't even need a knife. All right, so you see the steam there. I'm gonna take a bite. Show you guys how delicious they are. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is delicious. So, like I said, this was Mama Sue's recipe. It is in her first cookbook, I believe, Mama Sue's Southern Kitchen. If you're not following her, which I believe it's very doubtful that you're not, if you're into Southern cooking on Facebook, I'm sure you know who she is. But if you're not, go give her a like and a follow. But this recipe is on page 31 and it's Crockpot cube steak and it is delicious. So give it a try, share, comment, do all the things. Our page is still growing and I appreciate all the love that you guys send my way. But I'm gonna go because our supper is ready, as you can see, and we're about to sit down and enjoy it. If you try it, take a picture and show me. You know, I always love to see them. But until next time, keep your eyes on Jesus and you're cooking pretty simple. Love you much.